quite good. Is HelloFresh vegan friendly?
No, it's not vegan friendly. At present, they do say on the website that they are looking to make it vegan, or like at the moment, like watch this space kind of thing. But at the moment, they do not have any vegan recipes.
Which is ridiculous.
Yeah.
I think in this day and age, like, come on.
It is very easy to
like,
have
it's
day-old
not
dinners.
hard to just not include dairy or eggs or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's just so easy not to do that.
They're missing out on a lot.
Yeah, non-inclusive. Like, sort it out. And it's not easy to know this either, again,
Yeah.
because there's no like real categorization on the page. You like, if you would just have to like look through every
Yeah.
single recipe and then to find out that none of them are vegan anyway.
And you'd have to have signed up. So
Yeah.
that's the annoying thing, because you can't even check if it's you can't.
I think they need to sort
sort it
out their
out
system
a little
or
bit.
process.
Because you'd have had to have signed up, put in your card details, put in your address, or to find out it's not vegan.
Yeah. So that's why we're telling you now, vegans, don't go to HelloFresh.
Yet.